What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, and I am back with another reaction video. And this is to another Vybz Kartel song again. Now, this is like, it's called Super Soca, featuring Machel Montano or whatever his name is. I'm not really a big fan of Soca. I like going to Carnival and things, but I'm not really a big fan of Soca. But enough talking, y'all know why we're here. We're here to react to the video. This is not a video, this is like a lyric video. So, you know, I'm gonna be reading and thing. But anyways, let's get straight to the reaction. Smash a like button, the people, and subscribe to the channel. And comment more songs I want me to react to. I am more artists, you understand? But I know Cartel fans, them are gonna support the general. So just subscribe to the channel and thing. Go through, you see me? Ready? Oh, I go on. Oh, I go on, dog. How the Jenga Bunga go on? Alright, hold on there. So why am I feeling now play?
Hey, Addy, tell them the story.
Hey, Addy, I see you wicked and bright. I remember that song there. When me say that there's a girl thing that, no, what? Pause on that, people. Anyway, got you.
Machel, Kartel.
Yeah. Yeah, dog.
She from Lavantil area.
Yeah. I always wonder how Addy do them collaboration, yeah. And him not the road. Me no want gappers to find out all. I just want to know. But anyways, let's go through and see what Addy dep on now. Isn't me?
So she know me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So she want teach me calypso.
Yeah.
She done brown panny dress.
I lie.
Tell me fi apply the pressure.
Yeah.
Me see the curtain I move now.
So what you gonna do then? She tell you to do all of them something there. What you gonna do, dog? John, come. What's what am I gonna do, dog? She said for apply the pressure. You see me? I say. So what am I? What am I gonna do?
I'm a day so the
What you gonna do?
drop down, choke it.
Yeah. Oh my God! What's it? My tell say we're gonna juke it. All right, got you.
Bubble, well, Trini, bubble, a trouble. I told her I want to catch a rise just to take my breath.
Yeah.
She said, be a big mistake. You just come and me no start yet.
Hold on there. Wait. So she has said, big mistake. You just come in and start it. Let me say, more hear about what this a while ago now.
I told her I want to catch a rise just to take my breath.
Yeah. She said,
Be a big mistake. You just come and me no start yet.
oh, you have to bust before the woman, Addy. No, Addy. Oh, you have to come before the woman, da. Addy, oh, you have to bust before she. Oh, da. Addy. No, Addy. Yeah, let them the soldier them this, Addy. No, dog. Oh, you have to bust. Addy. No, I'm a general.
All night.
Oh, if you talk about all night, you know it's a party you talk about. But oh, if you talk about all night, my general, Addy, I'm an artist now, Addy, but oh, if you bust before the woman, Addy, no, my hurt, dog, Addy, all night party, oh naughty, yeah.
I met a girl from Jamaica.
So basically, this show me say Machel come from Trinidad and Cartel. You know it's Jamaica. So I see what I'm doing with a Jamaican girl. Trini man meet a Jamaican girl. Machel, what you gonna do with a Jamaican girl, Machel?
She said she come from
Portmore City. Yeah. Yeah.
She put her foot on the speaker.
Machel, me not think you can manage all them Jamaican girl when they come to the dance hall like a ring in a dog. She want to show how the dance hall like a ring. I think you can manage in a dog. She put her foot on the speaker already in a dog. I think you can manage it, Machel. Let me hear what you gonna do.
Tip and she touring.
Yeah.
Then she whine and then over.
Yeah.
One time everything start juggling. Juke it.
Oh, you mean, man? Yeah, general, Machel. Yeah, general. Yeah, juke it, my friend. Yeah, you juke it. You have to juke it, dog. If you don't juke it, dog, get a problem. Anyways, got you.
Hey, yeah, juke it.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, the bubble.
Yeah.
Double.
Yeah.
Double M.
Boy, Trini boy, they say I try say Trini man them can wine girl better than Jamaican man them. And that I try say Machel. Wall out in a youth. Wall out in a youth. Man, I have to come out Trinidad, come program, you know, and that. I don't know things that, you know. We are jump off a stop a jump in a, is it? No, we're not jumping in a, we are jump off a stop in a dark and like a girl in a dark. You see me? We are like a girl in a banana tree a yard in the dark. Banana tree that you have root in the dark. So, you know what you talk about, you know, brother? Yo, we are like a girl on light post, brother. We are mash up zinc or stop. We can go on and on for days, Machel. You see me? What out, youth?
She said, boy, don't play with me. You better come here ready to go. All night long, all night.
Party. Yeah, that's how you're bad. I'm not lying. That's how you're bad. I never expect this is so bad. As I said, I'm not really a huge Soca fan, but I like a Carnival. Because I don't know daggering if it go on. But that's how you go on hard. That's how you go hard so far. I mean, that's true. Me love enjoying myself differently. Because I enjoy myself reacting to the video. You see me? And if you don't enjoy the reaction, I don't know if you do. Like the video. And subscribe and support the yard, man. Go through.
Party, all night, party.
Party.
You're feeling party. While by somebody, body.
Yeah. Juke it. Yo, me can't just see myself a carnival when the party come on, dog. You see me, I say? I'm a whole somebody daughter. Youth. I'm a said so.
Bubble.
Yo.
Look it.
Let's imagine the party, come on.
Look it.
Hey.
Yes, daddy, bubble.
Imagine the party, come on. I'm a whole somebody daughter at the party. I trouble, no? Trouble dead there. Blood. The man glitter go on.
Double.
All night. Nah, man, this song turn over, man. This song turn over like a head tap. You don't know, so when you get to the party at the music, them are just repeating and thing, basically finishing up. But me say if nothing new, if another verse did it. You see me, can you say add the versatile in my general. Anyway, got you. Yeah. Party.
You're feeling party.
Are they not jumping back, are they?
Party.
Alright.
All night, party.
So that basically for the video. No, more make sure. Yeah. Boom shakalaka, guys. That's it for the video. Where me get that from? Anyways, thank you for checking out my video, guys. If you enjoyed the reaction, remember to subscribe to the channel. Support a yard, man. Support a Jamaican. It's been a boy, Ty. And guess what? I'm gone.